Hi, boys and girls. This is Mr. Britton here this morning. Just wanted to go over with you how you go about turning in an assignment that you might get through Google Classroom using your iPad. So here's what I'm going to do is I'm going to share screen of an iPad here. Bear with me for 1 second. We'll get you all connected. And the iPad I'm borrowing is actually Lucas Darling. So thank you, Lucas, for helping us out with our lesson today. So taking a quick look, what you would do is go to Google Classroom. And when you come into Google Classroom, right here is an example of second grade, and you can see that there's an assignment there called Test Assignment. So when we come here into the second grade and we go to Classwork, you can see that Test Assignment is right there at the top. When you get your assignment, you can click on it, and it will say up at the very top what the assignment is, when it's due, and then it will have some information about the assignment. And this one says it's a test assignment. Don't worry about doing it for real. And the part that you do is actually down at the bottom where it says your work. And you can click that little up arrow and it will open it up to the top, and it will show you the work that the teacher is hoping for you to do at the top. In this case, it's a Google Doc. It'll have your name at the top. Thank you again, Lucas, for letting us use you as the example. And all you have to do is click on your top one there, and it will let you start to do your work. So this is the assignment that you've been given. You have to answer these three questions. What is your favorite color? What is your name? And what is the flight weight of an African swallow? So in order to answer these questions, if you click right on your screen, it's not going to let you do any work. But up at the top, here, if we go up at the top, there's a pencil. If you click the pencil, what that will do is bring up your document. And down at the bottom, you can see that there are some tools you can use to answer your questions. There's a pen, there's a marker, and a highlighter. Or you can actually type in text. If you make a mistake, you can go back and use the eraser. If you want to highlight something with a square, you can do that too. So I'm going to use the pen, and then I'm going to say my favorite color is blue. Just use my finger to write this in, blue. What is my name? My name is Mr. Britton. What is the flight weight of an African swallow? I'm going to say 7, just because I like the number 7. And when you're done with your work, you can click back up to the top, click the Save button, and what it will do is it will actually save a PDF that says Edited, and it will have your work, and it's done, and the document is saved. So now that you've done your work, you can press the X at the top, and now you'll notice where it says Your Work, it will also have, in addition to the original assignment, it will have a new PDF that has your answers in it. And if you want to look at that, you can just click at the PDF, and there you can see is my PDF that has my answers in it. And if you decide when you're looking at that you want to make changes, you can click the pencil, and go back. And it's not going to let you erase what you had there before, but it will let you draw some more if you wanted to draw some more. And then when you're done, you click Save again. And you can click the X to close that. And again, you're back here to where your work on the assignment was in Google Classroom. Now, one other thing that you can do is say you don't have a file that you can edit. Maybe you were just given an assignment where you're supposed to do something like take a picture of your work and turn it in. In that case, you can click the button that says Add Attachment. And if you do that, it will allow you to either choose a file from Google Drive, or you can put in a link, a file, pick a photo that you've already taken, or you can even use the camera. And I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to use the camera, and it might ask if it wants to use the camera. You say, okay. So here I've got my camera, and I've already taken a piece of paper and written my answers out. So I'm going to go ahead and just take a picture of my piece of paper that has my answers. And I'm going to use that photo And now you can see that it's uploading the photo that I took right into Google Classroom as the answer to the questions, the assignment that I've been given. And it might take a little longer or shorter for you to upload it depending upon your speed of your internet at home. And there you can see now my photo has been added as well. So I have the original document, the one that I edited using the pen as a PDF, and then I have my photo, which I added. And once you have all of your work done and you're ready to go, you can turn it in. And again, you don't have to do all of this. This is just showing you some of the different ways you can give your assignment and turn it in. So I'm going to click the Turn In button, and it will ask, do you want to turn in your work? And it will say that in this case, I have 3 attachments. I'm going to go ahead and turn it in. And now it says my assignment has been turned in. Now, if I made a mistake and I want to fix something, I can click the Unsubmit button, and it will take your assignment back from the teacher. So there's a chance here for you to add a private comment if you wanted to say something to the teacher, like, I liked this assignment. Now, what's nice about the comments, and then you hit the little paper airplane to make it go to the teacher so they can see it. What's nice about these comments is that it's just between you and the teacher. So if you have a problem with the assignment or a question, even before you submit it, you can ask your questions here, and only the teacher will see it, and the teacher can answer you specifically without having to go to the whole class. So I've submitted my work. My assignment has been done. It's all turned in. It says turned in at the bottom. I can go back here to the beginning. And when I refresh and take a look, it says that it was due. And if I click the 3 due, if I take a look at the stream, you can see that it's not there anymore. My homework's all been turned in. I don't have any other assignments that are due. And there you can see, and you can always go back to the test assignment and take a look again at your work at the bottom. It says that it's been turned in, so your work is all done and ready to go. So that's how you take an assignment and give your turn in of your work, and you will hear from the teacher if you have any questions. So thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the video today. And if you have any questions, please let me or your teacher know. Have a great day.